Let us have a look at a question on reflections. The question says the point PAB is first reflected in the origin and then reflected in the y-axis to P dash. If P dash has coordinates 4, 6, evaluate A and B. So we'll approach the question stepwise. Since it is given point PAB, we'll assume it to be in the first quadrant. We'll just assume it to be in the first quadrant. So it is reflected in the origin. That means the origin has to be the midpoint. So if origin is the midpoint, so the point to which it is reflected has coordinates P minus A minus B, because since it's a midpoint, it has to be equidistant. Now it says it is then reflected in the y-axis to P dash. So let us name this as A. So now this A is reflected in the y-axis at P dash. So since it is reflected in the y-axis, that means y-axis has to be the perpendicular bisector of AP dash. So therefore the coordinate becomes A minus B. Okay, so now we are given that P dash has coordinates 4, 6. So equating, we get A is equal to 4 and B is equal to minus 6. And hence the answer, the value for A and B.